Hey guys, and welcome to Diana's Kitchen. If you guys want to know how to make this lovely cucumber recipe, keep on watching. Okay guys, so first you're gonna need some cucumber, you're gonna need some scallions and some peppers. You'll also need some mayonnaise, black pepper, and chicken breast tuna. So first you just wanna cut up the cucumber. Okay guys, next up you're gonna need a bowl. So now you're gonna put the chicken breast inside the bowl. Then you just wanna mash up all of the chicken. Okay guys, now we're gonna add the peppers. And now time to mix. And now you're going to need to add some mayo. And mix. Okay guys, now we're gonna add some black pepper. And once again, mix. Okay guys, so if you guys don't have an ice cream scooper, you can also use a spoon to scoop up all of the tuna and put it on the cucumber. And we're almost done. And there you have it guys, this delicious tuna and cucumber recipe. Now we're gonna add some scallions, or if you don't have scallions, you can also use parsley. I can't wait to enjoy this. But if you guys like this episode of Diana's Kitchen, don't forget to like, comment, share. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.